After college, I got a job as a paralegal in New York. Every time I would come home to Maine, I would just want to be here longer. And I would go back to New York and I would just feel suffocated. I really missed just being in green, just being around trees and being in the dirt. I love Wolfe's Neck because it has all these diverse ecosystems here. We have salt marsh river, we have a rocky coast, we have woodlands and hiking trails. So on its face, it's a beautiful place to be. But it's also this cool intersection of recreation, education, and agriculture. It's one of my favorite ways to connect with people. Cooking with them, cooking for them, going out and enjoying a meal at a restaurant together. I think the closer you can get to the people who grow your food, the better, because not only are you having less of an environmental impact, but you're also supporting people in your community. And I think that's really cool in a place like Maine where the farming community is so strong and the community in general is very strong.